Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Writesonic account from your computer online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Writesonic account online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in writesonic.com like this, and you turn enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Writesonic like this, or you can simply search for Writesonic login like this and turn enter. Then on the search result of the Google or any browser or search engine you use, you can see the first result will be this one, which is the login page of Writesonic Best AI Writing Tool. Click over there, and this is the direct login page of the Writesonic, whereas on the first tab we are still on the home page of the Writesonic. And let's close this, let's close the offer. And with that being done, at the top right corner of the screen or this page, you can see the sign in button available over here. Or if you have not yet created an account on Writesonic, you simply click on get started to go through our procedure to create an account on Writesonic. And you can also see the start for writing for free button available over here. You can see it says the no credit card required, and which means that if you sign up from over here, you won't be asked to enter your credit card if you don't have one. With that being said, let's click on sign in at the top right corner of the page. And over here you can see both of these pages are same to log into your Writesonic account, since one of these was from the Google search result and one of these was from the home page of Writesonic. Let's close one of these. And with that being done, in order to log into your Writesonic account from over here, you can choose to log into your Writesonic account with your Google or your Apple ID. If you click on the buttons respectively, and login page to sign into your Apple or your Google account respectively will open, and you'll be able to choose your accounts from over here. And after you choose and log into your accounts from over here, you'll be directly signed into the Writesonic account with your Google or your Apple IDs, whichever you chose. With that being said and done, you can see you have the place to enter your business email over here. Enter your business email with which you have signed up for on the Writesonic account, and you can sign in with your password also, or you can sign in with your OTP also. OTP means the one-time password option. If you click on the sign in with OTP, our code will send to your email address, and after receiving your OTP you will be required to enter that OTP, but will not be doing that. This is just an idea. Enter your password over here with which you have signed up for your Writesonic account at the time of creating your account, and simply click on sign in to log into your Writesonic account online. And you can also sign up for the Writesonic account from over here. You can see the sign up button. Click over there to go through the sign up procedure of Writesonic. After clicking on sign in, you'll be able to log into your Writesonic account from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.